Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both files are ready. You want the video and subtitle file visible. Once done, open VLC and drag the video into the player. This starts playback immediately. Next, check that the subtitle file name matches or is in the same folder for automatic detection. If not, use the menu. This minimal prep speeds the process and prevents file mismatch errors, so you get straight to displaying text on screen without hunting through folders. Now load subtitles explicitly if VLC didn't auto-load. Go to Subtitle Track and choose Add File. You can pick any, SRT or AS. Once loaded, make sure they sync. Open Tools, Track Synchronization, then shift subtitle delay forward or back until text matches speech. Also, customize appearance. Tools, Preferences, Subtitles/OSD lets you change font, size, and encoding so accents display correctly. These adjustments give readable, on-time captions for the entire video. Finish by saving your subtitle choices so future videos use the same settings. Go to Preferences and Apply, then Save. If you see odd characters, make sure subtitle encoding is set to UTF-8 because wrong encoding garbles accents and symbols. If timing drift remains over long videos, consider a constant time shift or export the subtitles and retime them in an editor. This fixes progressive drift. If nothing works, restart VLC. Sometimes the simple reboot clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.